Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a YouTube premium family plan, you can share it with up to 5 family members, and I will show you exactly how you can add them. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are in your family manager account. Only the person who set up the plan can actually invite others. So you need to go to families.google.com and sign in into your Google account that is linked to your premium subscription. Now once you are in, you need to click on the invite family member, and then you need to enter their email address. It must be a Google account and they need to live at the same address as you. So after you send the invite, your family member just need to accept it from their email. Once accepted, they will instantly get access to your YouTube premium benefits at no extra cost. If someone isn't getting the invite, you can ask them to check their spam or their promotion folder, or you can even remember that you can change or remove the members anytime from that same family group page. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.